This space heater is only $14 right now. It's definitely going to be TikTok Shop's deal of the day. This thing gets up to 95 degrees. You can set it on a 12-hour timer, and this thing oscillates 70 degrees. And this thing even comes with a remote, so you don't even have to get up off the couch to control any of the settings. And of course, I have kids. If you tip it over, boom, just like that safety feature, it automatically shuts off. I think this sale is only today, so if you want to grab one before that sale ends, go ahead and check out that link down below.